Here's the bird blind, a little bit empty for now, but I hope we'll see some birds. Hello everybody, and welcome. I'm here today at the bird blind doing guess what? Taking pictures of birds? No, you're wrong. Today I'm taking videos of birds, if they would just cooperate. I've been here maybe a half an hour or so, and all I've photographed is a female finch at the feeder and a really nice close-up shot of a male downy woodpecker at the suet feeder eating away. I'm going to sit here for a while longer, see what comes along, because I don't have anything better to do. And actually, when you think of it, is there anything better to do than take videos and photos of birds? Right now, it doesn't seem too... Ooh, there's a bird way over there. I think it's just a finch. It doesn't seem too promising that I can get much of anything today, but that's just the pessimist in me speaking. A lot of times I tend to think, oh, nothing's going to happen. I can't get any birds. I can't photograph any. I can't take any video. And guess what? I go out there and there are birds to photograph. And right now I'm going to stop talking, stop yapping, because a female cardinal just showed up. She's far away, but I'm going to see if I can get any video of her. So maybe I'll talk to you again soon. This is why this video has the word extreme in the title. I used the ClearImage zoom to take the zoom up to 2400 and then had the camera on a Joby tripod to get a little bit of stability. This male downy woodpecker was going on like crazy at the suet feeder, and I managed to catch him in his extreme mood, his extreme feeding mood. As you can see from the downy woodpecker and this mourning dove on the ground, I did manage to get real close and fill the frame with some of these videos. In other videos, I was not quite so lucky. I was happy to get this brown creeper, but they're such a tiny bird and they move so fast. This red-breasted nuthatch was just too fast for me. Well, it looks like I complained a little too soon about there not being enough birds to photograph. After a while, a lot of birds showed up. And I even got a video or two of a brown creeper, which I've never videotaped before. They're not around that much. They're not uncommon, but you don't often see them. But a lot of other birds showed up, cardinals, doves, white-breasted nuthatch, some house finches, house sparrows. I think that's what they were. Anyway, it hasn't been too bad. So maybe you'd like to see some of the videos. Here they are, I guess. Even if you don't know how to figure out video, you can take photos like this using the ClearImage zoom. You don't even have to figure out the shutter speed and the aperture, because the camera will do this for you. As an experiment, I used both the intelligent auto and then just pushed the movie button on the rear of the camera, and I used the setting on the mode dial to switch to the video mode. The camera then figured out that at 60p, which is what I had the video set on in the camera, how to shoot the video. It would set the aperture at 125 automatically, which is double the frame rate of 60p, and then shoot some pretty accurate videos. All you have to do is know how to turn on the ClearImage zoom in the menu settings. First you turn on the zoom, then you go to ClearImage zoom, and you turn that on. And then you have a 2400 millimeter camera, and you can shoot extreme bird videos. So that's about it. If you like, you can shoot extreme bird videos with the Sony DSC HX400V automatically. As I've said, all you have to do is use maybe the intelligent auto setting or switch to the mode dial setting of the video icon. And then you can turn on the ClearImage zoom, put the camera on a tripod, and you're good to go. There's not much to it beyond that, except having a good eye, a steady hand, maybe being in a bird blind where the birds can't see you. And then you can get up and close and personal with the birds, and they don't even seem to mind it. So that's about all for today. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you liked it, please subscribe, like, and do all that wonderful stuff that does such great things for me. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.